towards an image, we will use the designs here. Add a filter from the filter gallery. So let's apply the sketches on it. It's a texture. Make the changes there. I will use the brushes, artistic visuals, use an eraser tool. Let's make the designs. So there we have adding a pattern stem. I will use another shape.